By 2026, you could be saving thousands annually, simply by swapping your expensive software subscriptions for free or low-cost AI alternatives. The days of Adobe Creative Suite, pricey developer environments, or enterprise-level data analytics are numbered. Artificial intelligence is not just enhancing existing tools, it's completely replacing them with intelligent, intuitive, and incredibly powerful platforms. In this video, we uncover 5 revolutionary AI tools set to redefine how professionals work, saving businesses and creators a fortune. First up, say goodbye to your costly graphic design subscriptions. The era of needing advanced Photoshop or Illustrator skills, along with their hefty price tags, is rapidly fading. By 2026, AI-powered design platforms have evolved beyond simple image generation. They now intelligently interpret complex prompts to produce high-fidelity logos, intricate web layouts, and photorealistic marketing materials in seconds. Imagine describing a complete ad campaign visual, and the AI not only generates it but provides multiple variations optimized for different platforms. These tools can automatically remove backgrounds, upscale low-resolution images without quality loss, and even create entirely new assets from scratch based on a few keywords. The result? Professional-grade visuals without the steep learning curve or the recurring financial drain. Next, the traditionally complex and time-consuming world of video editing is being completely transformed. Forget spending hours sifting through footage, painstakingly cutting clips, or manually adding captions. AI video production suites in 2026 can automate nearly the entire process. Simply upload raw footage and a script, and the AI will cut out silences, identify and highlight key moments, add dynamic B-roll relevant to your narration, and even generate perfectly synchronized captions and subtitles in multiple languages. Some advanced platforms can even synthesize entirely new scenes or adjust lighting and mood with a simple text command. This means high-quality, professional videos can be produced in a fraction of the time and at a fraction of the cost, making expensive editors and software like Premiere Pro increasingly obsolete. For developers and businesses, the third major disruption comes in code generation and software development. Expensive IDEs and the cost of skilled developers are being challenged by AI agents that write, debug, and optimize code across virtually any language. These aren't just intelligent auto-completion tools, they are full-fledged coding partners. Provide a high-level description of a feature or an entire application, and the AI can generate functional, secure, and well-documented code. It can automatically refactor legacy systems, generate comprehensive test suites, and even identify and patch vulnerabilities before deployment. This drastically reduces development cycles, lowers operational costs, and empowers even non-coders to bring their ideas to life, making traditional development tools and junior developer roles increasingly redundant. Understanding vast datasets used to require expensive business intelligence platforms and dedicated data scientists. Not anymore. Our fourth game-changing AI tool category focuses on democratizing data analysis. By 2026, AI platforms can ingest, process, and analyze massive amounts of complex data from various sources with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Users can simply ask natural language questions, and the AI generates insightful reports, identifies critical trends, predicts future outcomes, and creates interactive dashboards. This capability allows businesses of all sizes to gain profound insights into market behavior, customer preferences, and operational efficiencies without the prohibitive costs of traditional BI software or a dedicated analytics team, making tools like Tableau or Power BI feel clunky and expensive. Finally, the world of audio production is no longer reliant on costly studios, professional voice actors, or complex mastering software. Our fifth category introduces advanced AI tools that deliver studio-quality audio with remarkable ease. These platforms can generate highly realistic human voices in any language and emotional tone, eliminating the need for expensive voiceover artists. Beyond voice, AI can automatically clean up noisy recordings, perfectly master tracks for various platforms, and even compose original background music tailored to your content's mood and length. For podcasters, YouTubers, and content creators, this means pristine audio quality, every time, without the hefty investment in equipment or talent. It's truly a new frontier for accessible, high-quality audio. From graphic design to audio production, video editing, coding, and data analysis, AI is rapidly making expensive, traditional software obsolete. These 5 categories of AI tools represent a monumental shift, democratizing advanced capabilities and offering unprecedented efficiency and cost savings. The future of work in 2026 is smarter, faster, and significantly more affordable, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. Embrace these changes and unlock a new era of productivity without breaking the bank. If you're ready to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving world of AI and technology, make sure to subscribe to Move 37 right now. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future insights. And speaking of the future, next, we dive into how AI agents will completely run your smart home by 2027. You won't want to miss that revolutionary glimpse into tomorrow. Subscribe and stay tuned.